What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. In today's video I'm gonna try to record some sort of trades if it's gonna pop up, and I'd like to thank all of you guys who's watching me and liking it. So yeah, just stay tuned, guys, and I will provide you with some beautiful live trades. Feel me? Stay tuned. What's good? I'm back, and most likely it's gonna be my first trade. It's gonna be my first loss for the week. So basically we came here, and right now I try to do my break and retest strategy to take it to the up. So I enter right here, yeah, and I enter right here, putting the stop loss right beneath here, targeting 1 to 1. Very simple concept, nothing too crazy, and we will see how everything was gonna end up. I can show you that. Yeah, the stop loss is beneath these lows, and I'm gonna target this high. If the price action will gonna move to that place, we're gonna make like 25 bucks because I'm risking 0.25 per trade. So we will see. Stay tuned, my boys. Guys, just a small update, yeah. I do think like we're gonna get stopped out on this one. I think it won't work out, but we will see. We still are in the trade, so I do really think the price action might gonna reverse and go up. We will see, because it kind of made. If in the next, I'm gonna wait for the next candle to close, and I'm gonna move my stop loss like a little bit beneath the low that is being created. If it's gonna take me out, then take me out. It is what it is. There's nothing else what I can do about it. But we will see how the price action will develop itself. It's still early to talk about like when and how it's gonna end up, because who knows, from this point the price action might gonna reverse and just move straight to the, but I might gonna take this one. So we will see, guys. Stay tuned for the next updates. Guys, let's see if we're gonna get stopped out on this one. Yep, we are stopped out. So it is what it is. There's nothing what we can do about it, and we will stick to our plan. Nothing's changed, and we will just move to the next opportunity. Stay tuned. Guys, just a quick update here. Unfortunately, we didn't manage to get any trade today, only due to the fact that it just didn't represent itself. So yeah, guys, that's the video. We just took a L, and it's just another day in the day of life of trader. So it can be always nice, sweet, and profitable days. It's only because this stuff, it does not happen the way how we want. A lot of people, I just been seeing like in the comments, a guy posted, put their comment like, he was saying something like, oh, $500 a day, that's nice, and he counted like 30 days, and I'm like, guys, don't think like the trading is so easy. Even if you're taking like one-to-one trade, that doesn't mean every single day you're gonna get a trade, and every single day is gonna be a winning day. It's not always been, that's not the case. So the only thing why I would like to tell you guys is just stay focused, stay disciplined. Even if you're taking a few losses in a row, that's the reality of traders. And all the bullshit that you're seeing on internet, like about all those gurus, is just nonsense. To me, the trading does the trading. On my channel is the reality of trading. I tried so many strategies, I tried so many things to do, and the problem is because I'm always getting stuck in those losing trades. And I always was asking how those guys, they managing like their losses, and because when they showing their P&L, you see only winners, 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 and barely they have somewhere on one loss. And that's like crazy. You just have to be like, I don't know what type of traders to be so so confident to take that many trades and to be so many winning trades? Either you're leveraging, either you, I don't know how people doing, maybe I don't know something. Let me know down in the comment if I'm mistaking something and I don't know. Maybe my strategy is not good enough to be profitable and to make money in the market. But that's my conclusion on this video. So yeah guys, stay tuned, hit the like button, subscribe, comment if you want, and see you on my next one. Peace and love. I'm out.